Hello everyone, so here is this new AI avatar app by Wonder. So Wonder AI is a viral app where you can just generate images and different landscapes based on your prompts. But this app is just really about creating your AI avatars, the recent viral trend. So yeah, let's just try it out. You can use VOI Pro, create your own avatar to create yourself. So that's $4.99 per week, auto renewable, cancel anytime, or $29.99 per year. There is no free trial. So that's that. But you can also, of course, try it out just with some celebrities. So you can just generate like the image of like Cristiano Ronaldo or whatever. So you can see like, okay, I want to generate some styling like this, and then I want to generate an image of Cristiano Ronaldo, and then you will just
If you want to know what you will look like when you
But of course there are ads. If you want to avoid ads, you need to upgrade. So yeah, something like this, and then you can just see all the different images. It's all generated by AI. AI model is pretty cool. Then you can just save and share. Obviously, you can also do that with your own image. You just need to upload like, I guess, like 8 to 9 to 10 selfies of yourself, and then you will be able to use them and generate completely new images of yourself. So it's not that you just like whiten your teeth or make a different filter, attach a different filter. Now it's like you completely generate a new image. Of course, they are not like photo-like images, but it's getting there. AI is like really getting there. And then, yeah, you can just go here in settings, delete your data if you're not happy that there is your private information here. Then you can see all of these other filters, AI filters available. And then you can also try them out. Yeah, it's like pretty cool. Again, you need to upgrade to Pro to remove ads, to have unlimited creation and create your own avatar, and with 40 plus styles. Actually, it's not that a big price because computational power is pretty expensive for all these AI models, and some apps like Lensa AI, as I understand, they charge $6 just for one pack. Just to generate one pack of 50 AI images, you need to pay like $5 or $6. Here you have $5 per week, and you have unlimited creations. So try that. And this is like a very strong team behind this app, which built Wonder AI app, which also went viral some time ago. So definitely interesting app. It's try all of these features, have fun with AI. Also here you can just edit your prompt. So if you want to add some little detail, just like if you want to say, I want to this app to have like a nice background, or like something like that, you can do that.